Man, this one's a...
In this video, the goal is to connect two awesome rivers in Idaho by an off-road trail. The fly fishing was amazing on both of them. The views on the mountaintop were above and beyond what I expected, and the fuel will be an issue, and hopefully we make it. Hope you enjoy.
Welcome back to the channel, and this is a big trip. So what we have going on this trip is we're trying to connect two rivers. So there's a main river goes up like this, and then another one that goes like this, and all the way up to Montana. So that's kind of where the headwaters are. So there's, between the two, there's an off-road trail that connects them. And that's my goal, is to connect those two instead of having to fish that river and then drive all the way back around to the other one, which would take all day, at least all day. I mean, that'd be a long day. So there's that off-road trail that I can take down to connect the two. And supposedly it's pretty rough. I don't know, but we'll find out. And that's the trip, and I'm gonna fish along the way. So to start off the trip, I'm gonna start right off the bat on the river, the top river, and I'm gonna fish there and then head on up, see what I can find. All right, so yeah, found camp. I'm actually I at the spot where I fished in I got screwed video. On my way back, this is where I fished, and this is, I can't believe this spot's open, but flows look even better. So I don't know if I'm a camp here. I'm definitely gonna fish, and then if I still have some good time left, then I think I'm gonna head up to another spot where I camped along let's see, the first time fly fishing in Idaho. So yeah, we'll see. I know this is going to be oh, there's a color, there it is. Okay, yeah, yeah, we'll see how it is. I'll fish and then just kind of make a judgment call as to if I want to stay here, or I kind of want to make further progress down the way, so I may end up going up further. Saw that one. That was a good one. Nice. Alright. Alright, let's get this guy in. In and grab the hopper. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Alright. There we go. Saw that one. That was a good one. Nice. All right. Where's my... There it is. All right, let's get this guy in. Came and grabbed the hopper. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right. So let's get... There we go. There we go. Yeah. Nice. All right. Yeah. Another beautiful little cut. Beauty little... All right, let's get my hand wet and let this little guy go. There you go. All right, working my way back out. Oh, there we go, another one. Ooh, coming right towards me. Let him go. Nice little guy. There we go. Ooh, this is a better one. All right. This is definitely a better one. All right. Come on, get upstream, upstream. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ooh. I'm gonna have to get this thing on the... Oh, I don't want to do it. This is definitely a better one for sure. Come on, don't lose me. Come on. There we go. All right. Definitely. Okay, let's get this bad boy released. Let's get this bad boy released. Nice. Wow, that was a beauty. All right, well, that was one of the most awesome fishing, like just basically an hour fishing, and got that nice one. I mean, that was a good one. I'm gonna have to look back at the footage to get the measurement on it. I'm still not sure if I must camp here or not. I'm thinking it's almost 3. I might see if I can get up further. All right, we're leaving this spot here, so I'm gonna head up and try to find something further along. So nothing special for me tonight. I'm going to do leftovers. We made some pasta with some, I don't know what the word is, spicy sausage and with the red sauce. And so I'm gonna reheat that on the stove, and then that's it for tonight. And yeah, just leftovers. You can do that. I mean, this is simple. Just do this.
All right, good morning. Man, I slept in. It's 8:20 right now. I was planning on getting an early start, but I'm just gonna break down camp, have breakfast, and then head on out. All right, I'm all packed up. Just have a couple little things to put away, and I'm trying to go healthy here, so I'm gonna have probably the most healthy breakfast that you can have. So I'm not a coffee drinker, so I'm having my Monster and a little Danish. So super healthy. Dakota knows it too, and she's proud of me. So yeah, I'm just gonna have this and then hit the road. Man, that's healthy. So I'm at the point right now where I have to make a decision if I keep going or if I have to turn around and go back based off of fuel. So I'm gonna look at the map and see exactly how far, and I'm gonna fill up with my roto pack here, use that fuel and see where I'm at. Hopefully I'll be above 3/4. Because if I'm not, then it's gonna be bad. But yeah, we'll just see. We'll see where we're at. Just gonna take a break here. It's 11:12, so yeah, just take a break, let the dogs walk, drink out of the creek here, get my solar going on because my EcoFlow battery bank is not charging from the car for some reason. It'll charge with the solar, but it will not go from the car. And I even bought a new cord, and I've tried multiple outlets. I even tried another vehicle, and it still won't take it. So something's going on there. Maybe make a sandwich now that I have everything open, and then hit the trail, see how it is. Okay, so that gave me about 7/8 now, so see the focus there. All right, I'm confident right now, so yeah, we're going for it. All right, so this game is pretty narrow. Definitely pinstripes gonna be happening on this trail. Definitely not taking the Jeep on here, Nancy would be upset, but it's narrow. We are literally the top of the mountain. Look at that, that's Montana way out there. It's beautiful. Fire went through here. I don't know when, but man, it is just beautiful. Top of the mountain. Okay, so it's been pretty rough this stretch here. Been a lot of stuff like this, and yeah, I mean I'll get through it, but it's definitely getting rough. You don't want to make any mistakes driving here. It's a long ways down.
All right, I made it out. Man, that was a long trip. Took almost 6 hours. So yeah, fun though. Lots of awesome scenery. So it was pretty cool. So now I got to go find camp. All right, I found a camp. This will do. And I don't get a camp right on the water, but it's just right there, and looks pretty good. Not like perfect fishing, but I should be able to get something. I think we'll find out. But yeah, just happened to see the spot, and I thought somebody was gonna be down here like every other spot, but nobody was, so got kind of lucky. So all right, this is what you do when it's hot as heck outside and you haven't showered in three days. So this is what you do. Oh, that feels good. All right, I'm out here gonna fish. There's lots of stretches along here that look good. Way out over there, that looks good, especially right there. But I kind of wanna, there's a little seam right here. I just want to test this out just to see. All right, got one. Come on. That's a nice one. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. There we go. All right. Oh, man, you're crazy. Whew. You are crazy. You are, okay, he took that one. Nice. There we go. All right. There you go. Thank you. Out of the pool. There we go. Ooh, that's a chunker. That is a chunky guy right there. All right. Wow, that is a nice one there. Come on. Come on. Let's get you upstream. Come on. There we go. Come on. Okay, now come up. Come up. Oh, that's a huge whitefish. Wow. That is a monster whitefish. What is that? 12 and 12, 3, 43, 6 and it's like an 18-inch whitefish. Wow. Okay, now at the release, this big old guy. Woo! Nice. That's a big chunker. There you go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Keep pressure on it. Come on. You can do it. Awesome. Come on, go upstream. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There we go. Come on. Oh, shoot. Come on, go. There we go. All right. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Pretty. All right, now for the release. Here we go. Nice chunker right there. Chunker. There you go. Got one. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. Ooh. Come on. Jeez. He's running. I might lose this guy. Come on. Come on. Upstream. Come on. You know you want to just come in. Come on. There we go. All right. All right. That's a nice one there. All right. See that? All right. Let's get the release. Here we go. Another monster. There you go. Now I am all tangled. Oh, that was a nice one. He launched himself out of the air for that one. That was awesome. Oh, shoot. Well, that was a good one. He launched out of the air. Wow. There we go. I set it on that one. Nice. You're going to be ready to come in. Ooh, oh, whitefish. On there. Okay. Come on in. Up, up. Get your head up. Come on. Come on. There you go. All right, another chunky whitefish. All right, let's get this guy to his home. Look at that. Beauty. Beauty. There we go. That was a soft take. Soft take. Come on. Come on. This way. This way. No, not that way. Man, this might be a tank. Whew. Come on, keep going up. Come on. There you go. Give up. Come on. No, not that way. Come on. There you go. There you go. Upstream. Up to me. Ah, dang it. Come on. Tire yourself out. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, there you go. Ah, dang it. Shoot. Ay, where'd you go? Oh, went between my legs. Couldn't see him. Okay, come here. There you go. Another white fish. Off you go into the wild. Nice whitey. There we go. There we go. Whew. Nice. Come on. Get upstream. Get upstream, and then I can get you. Come on, come on. Oh, come on, come on, little whitey. Man, there's a lot of whitefish in this pool now. Oh, fly's already out. And let's get this other little chunker out of here. Oh boy, you are feisty. Come on, I'll get you. Look at that, fatty. See ya. Man, there's a lot of whitefish. There we go. This is a cutty. Nice. Nice. Let's get you back in, cut. Come on. There you go. Oh, come on. There we go. Nice little cut. fly's out. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. All right. Another little beauty. Come on, come on. I'll let you go. Come on. There you go. Man. Wow, what a day of fishing. That was epic. And I kind of wasn't expecting it to be that good. Yeah, that was epic. So gotta celebrate with one of these. Yeah, not local, I don't think, but has fish on it. So that was, man, this whole trip has been epic, and the dogs loved it. I'm a little down in elevation, so it's kind of hot, but yeah, I'm gonna try to pack up as much as I can tonight, and then head out in the morning, and because I need to find gas, so that's kind of the priority tomorrow. But yeah, fuel is gonna be, I think I'm good though, because there's 47 more miles to go on this road before I hit a town, and as long as they have fuel, I'll be golden. So I'm trying to make it down to a main town where the fuel's cheaper, but if I have to, I'll get it, because I think it's like $8 or $9 or something like that. It's mainly for like the quads when they're going around, they can fill up. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, there it is. Having two tonight because I didn't have a lot for lunch, so I'm gonna eat this up, and then we'll catch you in the morning. All right, we are all packed up, or almost packed up. I just gotta put the tent away. I'm not gonna fish just because I know how far it is to get back home, so I need to find fuel. That's the main thing. So we are going to find fuel, and we made it. All right, we made it. I made it with had a quarter tank, right at a quarter tank. So yeah, we had that, and I could have stopped before. I went to the main town to fill up because it was way cheaper. So I could have filled up like 37 miles ago, but had plenty to spare, which I'm kind of surprised. So that's good. I could do it again safely and kind of do a little bit more exploring. So 224.6 miles was that whole trail, and about 110 of it, just under 110, was on dirt. So that was fun. That was a big trip. So I think what I think I was getting 16.3 miles per gallon, which is pretty good considering you go up a lot in elevation, and then you also you're off-road. That 110 miles is slow going. You're getting 8 miles per gallon, but on the way back you're getting like probably 30 miles per gallon because it's all downhill. But so that was good. Yeah, that was with the 3 extra gallons of fuel. So yeah, I'd say that's a success. So if you can if you like the video, give it a like, maybe subscribe to get more adventures like this. We definitely have a lot more planned to maybe camp at the top of the mountain there with mountain views. So hopefully that'll happen soon, maybe. And the dogs are tired and they're ready to go home, and I'm ready to go home and get shower and get some good food. So yeah, thanks for watching.